I thought I was by myself and I was going to do nothing in life and all that. Just generally thought I was by myself in this whole situation. I was staying in the house all the time, not going out, and I was just bottled up all the time. I was bottling everything up and that stuff. First bird I hold was Jessica, and once that I held Jessica, I was like, I'm in love with this place. I was like, I can't. I love every second of it.
The change in Daniel's just unbelievable. This time last year, I was really concerned about what would happen to Daniel, where Daniel would be, no friends, just really isolated himself, just didn't cope very well at all. So as a mum, I'm ultra grateful.
The difference in Daniel from now to then is absolutely terrific, you know, and I hope that he just keeps coming and he goes from strength to strength, to be honest.
I'm less depressed now, I don't want to kill myself. I've got meaning in life. Since I've been here, I've grown more confidence to talk to people, get everything out, what I've been through. Obviously I've come out my shell, I can talk to people now, I can literally do whatever I desire.